All right, Mr. Nick. Pick a number between 1 and 7. 1 and 9.
Go try to surprise
Okay,
you.
we'll do it that way.
Yeah. Hey.
Well, there's no way to know when you're done. Hey.
Not sure. I'll go with 7 like you. We got a good one.
Okay.
Space. May the force be with you.
May the force be with us. Come on. Something good. Something good. Something we don't have. New. Ah, another Vader.
Yep.
All right. You know what? We are not having nearly as good a luck with Star Wars as we did with He-Man, right? We got a lot of duplicates this time around.
Yeah,
so.
may the Sith revenge.
Yep. All right. Well, look, we still have we've got 8 more to go, so I'm still hopeful that we're gonna get some more of these guys in there, something different, something to change it up, you know. But
like some higher rarity or something.
yeah. So let's cross our fingers that some good luck comes in soon, right?
Do we have any legendaries?
No.
Oh,
one. Yep.
So like nothing above legendary.
No. And let's see. We've got a Vader common. We've got a Leia common. We don't and we have a Luke common. There we go. All right. And rare, we've got Vader, we've got Luke, and we've got Leia. And then legendary, we've got only Leia. So let's hope for some more soon.
Yep.
Something new, something cool, something we don't have. Build that collection up. Fingers crossed, right, bud?
Yep.
Cool.
Nothing old like the Nicky Daddy head hug.
There you go. Maybe that's it. You haven't been doing the head hug. That explains the bad luck. Oh, all right. Head hugs and better rarities coming soon. Right? Okay.